Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 11th, 2025, and we're diving into Ambac's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ambac, a prominent insurance holding company, has just released its Q3 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue shifts to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. Ambac reported total revenues of $67 million for Q3 2025, a 5% decrease from the previous year. John, what are the main factors behind this decline?
The decrease in revenue is primarily due to a managed reduction in earned premiums at Everspan and the absence of significant gains from the previous year, such as a $4.9 million FX hedge gain. However, it's important to note the impressive 80% increase in the insurance distribution segment, which highlights strong organic growth.
Despite the revenue decline, Ambac reported a net loss of $112.6 million. Can you elaborate on the factors contributing to this loss?
Certainly. The net loss was driven by increased expenses, including G&A and interest expenses related to acquisitions and growth initiatives. Additionally, the exit from the financial guarantee business and integration costs for ArmadaCare added to the financial burden.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 23 for Ambac, but the company reported an adjusted EPS of 21. John, how significant is this beat?
While the adjusted EPS of -21 is still negative, it did beat the forecast by 2 cents, which is a positive sign. This indicates that Ambac is managing its costs better than expected, despite the challenging environment.
With only 2 analysts covering the stock, how does this affect the market's perception of Ambac's performance?
The limited analyst coverage can lead to less market volatility in response to earnings beats or misses. However, beating expectations, even slightly, can still bolster investor confidence in the company's strategic direction.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Ambac has been active in strategic initiatives, including a share buyback and launching a new MGA venture. John, what does this indicate about the company's future direction?
Ambac's repurchase of 3.1 million shares demonstrates strong confidence in its future prospects. The launch of 1889 Specialty, a new MGA venture, aligns with their focus on expanding specialty P&C businesses. These moves suggest a commitment to growth and shareholder value.
CEO Claude LeBlanc expressed high confidence in Ambac's strategic direction. How should investors interpret this statement?
LeBlanc's confidence, coupled with strategic actions like share buybacks and new ventures, signals a positive outlook. Investors can view this as a commitment to enhancing profitability and market position in the coming years.
Key takeaways. In summary, Ambac's Q3 2025 results show a mixed performance with a decline in overall revenue but strong growth in the insurance distribution segment. The adjusted EPS beat expectations, and strategic initiatives indicate a positive future outlook. John, any final thoughts?
Ambac is navigating a challenging environment with strategic focus and operational improvements. While there are hurdles, the company's actions suggest a promising path forward.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ambac's performance in the comments below.